Oh shit, he gonna get him.
Yo, they fighting.
He's twirling him up in the web. That's what the fuck he doing.
Right away.
Not national.
Look, his man's right there in front of you. On top of the thing. Coming down. Trying to figure out how to get over on the other side.
Not National Geographic of the horse. This is that fucking thing. And I just killed him with on my ankle. Get him. Not the big ass spider. He is really tying him up in the web.
Oh, damn.
Oh my gosh. It is really full, honey. Mm-mm. He is really wrapping him. Wait a second.
His man's right there in front of you on top of the gate. Like, he's trying to look it down at it.
He is really wrapping him up.
Oh, he's flipping him now.
Yeah, like he wants to see. Hey! Good for his